This YouTube tutorial video will show you the easy steps on how to create a YouTube subscribe link for your channel. So what exactly is a YouTube subscribe link? It's basically a custom link that you can share anywhere. Your Instagram bio, your emails, your website, and when someone clicks it, YouTube automatically pops up a little box asking them to subscribe to your channel. We'll start by opening YouTube on our computer, because it's a little easier to do this on a PC. You can also do it on your mobile phone, but I'm on my computer right now, so I've already opened the YouTube homepage. Now our job is to go to our YouTube channel homepage. We can do that by clicking on our profile picture located in the top right corner, and then clicking on the blue View Your Channel option. So I'm now on my channel homepage, and what we need to do from here is grab our YouTube channel link. It's pretty easy. Just tap on the More option, which will open a separate menu showing your channel description and all of your channel information. You can see that the YouTube channel link is the second one from the top, so I'll right-click on it and copy it. From here, you're going to open a Google Doc, your Notes app, or any application where you can type. But I'm just going to open a new tab since it's easier. I'll paste my YouTube channel link, and now here's the most important step. You're going to add a question mark at the end, then type sub_confirmation equals 1. And that's it. You can now copy this link and share it with your friends, your family, include it in an email, add it to your social media, or wherever you'd like. This is now your YouTube subscription link. Let's go ahead and test it. I'm quickly going to switch to my other account, paste this link into the URL bar, and as you can see, our YouTube channel opens with a little confirmation message that says, "Confirm channel subscription." And the person simply has to click subscribe. That's it. And that's how you can easily create a YouTube channel subscribe link. If you'd like more YouTube tips and tutorials like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one.